This tutorial video provides an overview of ISLG's Article Citator. The Article Citator enables you to instantly see how specific legal instruments relevant to international investment law have been considered by tribunals. ISLG's analysts have painstakingly reviewed each document to identify only the references made by tribunal, distinguishing this research tool from a simple Ctrl+F search. When you open up the Article Citator under the Research Tools, you are presented with a similar list of instruments found under the Treaties and Rules tab, under Document Library. You can either browse through the list or search for an instrument by entering the term or phrase into the search field. When you select the instrument you are interested in, the Article Citator presents you with a list of provisions. This list consists of all the provisions from the instrument that have been interpreted or applied by tribunals, annulment committees, and national courts in publicly available dispute documents. The number in parentheses next to the provision indicates the number of dispute documents that have referred to that particular provision. Clicking See All will produce a reverse chronological list of dispute documents that have referred to the provision you selected, as well as the list of paragraphs or footnotes that have referred to the provision. Clicking on any paragraph or footnote will provide you with an excerpt of chosen paragraph or footnote that refers to the provision. In essence, this tool allows you to browse through the award and quickly see how tribunal interpreted and applied the provision. There are different ways of sorting your Article Citator results. The default is in reverse chronological order, but you can also sort them in chronological order or by number of references or most referenced. Sorting by most referenced rearranges your results by listing dispute documents that have been referenced by subsequent tribunals, committees, or national courts the most. When you hover over the Suvraki annulment decision, you can see this document has been referenced 74 times. Selecting all references will take you to Jurisprudence Citator of the Suvraki annulment decision. Sorting by number of references rearranges your results by listing dispute document that have the most number of paragraphs or footnotes, citing the provisions you selected. Because Article Citator is populated by lawyers who can recognize more nuanced contextual reference to legal provisions, ISLG can capture less explicit references as well. In this example, paragraph 62 of the Delmer Award is listed because even though you do not see Article 25 in paragraph 62, there is a reference to the ISLG Convention's requirement of a legal dispute, which is a contextual reference to Article 25 of the ISLG Convention. The legal analyst who read the portion recognized that it's the tribunal's reference to Article 25. A simple keyword search will miss this reference. Another feature available in the Article Citator is the provision extract. Clicking on Provision Extract will bring up the text of the provision in question, which avoids the need to exit the tool to view the text under the Treaties and Rules tab. You also have three options under Action at the provision level where you add the provision to your notepad, copy location of your provision, or add the provision to follow any new entries added subsequently. At each dispute document level, your Actions options include the same three options plus document comparison, which enables you to compare shared references. You may need an individual login credential to take advantage of these features under Actions. Full Case Analysis gives you a comprehensive look of the dispute document you selected and show you a list of all legal instrument provisions captured in the document, as well as other research tool features. Thank you for watching.